How to create account in TradingView. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this menu icon. Tap on this menu icon. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this sign in button. Tap on sign in. So this is the section where you can create your new account. So just simply tap on email. And now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the option called sign up. Tap on sign up. Here you must enter these details, username, email and password. So fill this up. Now after you enter these details, here you can see this create account button. Tap on create account. So it will take some time. You must verify if you are a robot or not. You might get different puzzles. You must enter and verify it. And now a mail will be sent in your Gmail. So just verify your mail and you'll be able to log in with the same username and ID. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.